Yo, today we're gonna do an unboxing and first impressions of Lalique encre noire sport. Encre noire, noire. If I only I haven't smelled the extreme and the regular one before in strips. That's all. But I have different kinds of fresh fragrances, but I don't have a fresh fragrance that I want to use up. You know, like I got the Hermes, and I don't want to use that as my everyday fragrance, like Gum Reach, or I wanted one like going out to the gym, just to the store, just to get my kid from kindergarten, grade school. I don't know what it's called, kindergarten, and delivering him, and I wanted one to smell unique, that you don't smell like the Chanel's or Dior Sauvages and etc. And I heard this is unique and it's fresh, so it's got this blue juice inside. Big, heavy bottle. And we're just gonna use this, I guess, as as tester. It's a big bottle. Good spray, good enough. Oh, that got grapefruit, like woods. It's so natural smelling for such a cheap perfume. It's not sweet, but it's like refreshing. Actually, in the same vein as that Hermes Voyager, but it got that piney cypress. People will say this is mature, but I think this is all ages. I think people around you will think you smell really good. Let me just. You know that kind of grapefruit that is in the new D&G light blue forever? That kind of grapefruit, but not as prominent. Here you got imagine woods, like, I don't know, here in Norway, England, like fall. A little brown, the leaves are starting to turn brown, pine trees, all those that kind of nature, like with the cypress and all these green bushes starting to leaves, and you get that real refreshing grapefruit on top, and it smells so natural. I don't find this synthetic. I don't say synthetic is a bad thing, because a lot of things smells good that are synthetic. But this, for this kind of money, in Norway, this is actually a lot more expensive than in the US. I have to pay like $50 to get this with shipping, and that's totally worth it. As I smell this now, I don't think you can get a lot better fragrance for the price. Don't, like this is your blue fragrance without the sweetness. This is a masculine, could straight unisex, because it's like masculine in the per se that most men will like this smell, but it is unisex in that way that grapefruit and woods are not male, is it? So, oh, this is good. If you can get this, I wouldn't even. It's like it smells a lot more natural than a lot of niche fragrances I even smell. This smells more natural than Montale Intense Cafe. It smells a lot of niche fragrances even. You could put this in a Tom Ford private blend bottle. You can put this in the Hermes, 30 Hermes kind of. It's got the same quality. 30 Hermes might even smell a little more synthetic. But 30 Hermes, I love 30 Hermes as well. But 30 Hermes don't smell unnatural at all, actually. But this has got the more woods, so it's a little bit more complex than 30 Hermes. I don't know if younger guys would like it, but I don't think this is a. But in the air, this smells good, yo. 100% thumbs up. I would give this scent for the price 10 out of 10. A little bit of sweetness in it would have made it a little bit better, but I think maybe it would ruin the juice as well. As I'm getting more and more into fragrances, I don't need everything to be that sweet or have that sweetness. I know it's alluring, but this got that a little bit of bitterness. And imagine like a grapefruit peel, nothing sweet, but the grapefruit itself, the woods. Yeah, I can't tell you about longevity or anything, but this stuff right here, well worth the money. Well worth the money. People say it smells like pickle juice. I saw one review. Nah, I don't get it. Like, it got that sourness, but not pickle juice. Like, that's good. Peace!